everyone, welcome back to Fluffy Pickle. Now, I don't know why I made this video. I just wanted to show you my brand new Beatles Abbey Road poster. It's cool, right? Yeah, it's cool. Alright. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you, the Beatles Abbey Road poster. Alright. Yeah, I have no idea why I made this video. Anyway, like, subscribe, yeah, basically that's it. And now, this is deodorant. Okay, why, okay, never mind. And this is a bird. Okay, it's a birdie, yay! Alright. So this bird's name is Lorito. In Spanish that means parrot. So Lorito. Alright. Now here we have, hang on, let me just, and here we have the star of our show, Fluffy Pickle. Hello, how are you doing today? Good, and you? I'm doing good. Alright, so yeah, this is Fluffy Pickle. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm trying to like you know those ventriloquists, I'm trying to do that. And also, hang on, so you see Fluffy Pickle, right? Well, also, we have Chef, hang on. We also have Chef Pepito! Chef Pepito! Hello, how are you doing? So yeah, we have this chef right here. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you my puppets. Yeah, and also my Beatles Abbey Road poster. Yeah, alright. Anyways, bye. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I really have no idea what to do. So, actually, you know what? I know what to do. I'm gonna make a puppet play. Alright. So like, alright. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Okay, so how would I do this? So like, trying to make like a way to like make a play. Alright, hang on, let me get the puppets. What would be a better way to do this? Alright, hang on. Alright, so probably like right here. Alright, the play begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am a crazy dinosaur. Brah, 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 brah. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, we're gonna restart that. All right. Brah! I am a dinosaur. I will eat you unless someone tries to stop me. But that's not like that's ever gonna happen. And whoop! And then, out of the blue, well, more like out of the purple, came Chef Pepito! I am please. Okay? Now. Okay, okay. So, I will defeat this dragon, and I will make dragon meat. Okay, yeah, that's actually kind of weird. But, okay. So, here I go. Wah! I'm a dinosaur. I'm a chef. Yeah, fight, fight, fight. I have beaten the dinosaur, and now I win. Now I am the hero of this town. Yay! 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 Okay. It's done. It's done.